Hello, this is Michael from Region I. Today I want to shoot the simple introductory movie for the BJ remote station BK350S. Through several times of upgraded version, we make this BJ remote motion which use AC 220 voltage. So now you can see the code, and let me explain some simple hardware and software. As you look at the main frame, there is the lever, which is when you mount the new PCB you can use, and you can turn the main shaft to the left or right, and this two lever, the black colored, when you turn it can go up and down, and by mistake, user can let the main shaft to go to the down. There is a limit board to limit the maximum limitation for the shaft to go down. And this machine adopted magnet nozzle. And the nozzle size is depending on the IC chip size. Yes, IC chip size. You can simply choose the various nozzle. If you look at the nozzle, there is nozzle number. Yeah, this is 2020. 22. Okay, and this heating is by hot air, and this is to adjust the volume of hot air, and we usually set the fixed value of 10, so you can simply turn it to the value 10. Now you see the 10, right? And yeah, when you have some malfunctioning, you can simply turn down the main power, and then you turn up the main power on the left side of the blue color. And when you turn on the machine, you will see this main touch panel, which uses the operating system of computer. And then you see the various buttons. This is to initiate heating, and this is for the status. It does not be push it. And this is just to let the temperature of upper heater and lower heater continue without regarding time against temperature. Okay, and this is stop at any specific temperature profile, and this is to cooling. From the left side cooling fan, it will blow some cool air to the PCB and the chip. And when the working is going on, the color is turned into red color. And if you turn again, it will turn green. Okay, if you turn it, it will change red. And when it does not work, it will change green. and this is vacuum to pick up the detached chip from the PCB board. From the left side, the suction pan, you see the hole. When you cover up the hole and you pick up specific chip, you can pick it up. But if the chip has some holes, the vacuum, if chip has some holes, vacuum will leak out. So you have to use some without hole surface, or if the chip has some holes, you can use the other tweezers. And this kind of chip is very simply turned up like this. Okay, and when you do not want vacuum, you can just touch again. And this screenshot is to save the present screen. And this program selection is let you to select the other program. If you select, there is program 1, for example, and if you touch the confirm, there are steps. This machine imitate the reflow machine, like a long tunnel that to melt the solder and to attach the chip on the PCB. Now look at the first step. This is upper temperature, maximum 50 Celsius degrees, and 2 Celsius degrees per second, the speed of heating. And the third one is after temperature reached 50 Celsius degrees, maintain for 10 seconds. And the second step is upper temperature to 270 Celsius degrees at the heating speed of 2 degrees per second. After temperature reaches 270, it will maintain for 30 seconds. And this is for the lower hot air temperature. Target temperature is 50 and the heating speed is 2 Celsius degrees per second, and after temperature reaches 50, it will maintain for 10 seconds. And I think you understand the meaning of this. And this is the cooling time. After heating is finished, the cooling is automatically initiated, and the cooling setting value is 180 seconds. You can change. Now this is 3 minutes. You can change this 240 minutes simply like this. Okay, but usually 180 is okay. And the alarm time is when heating is finished. The machine alarm that user to get ready to pick up the detached. These are the chip from PCB. The alarming time is 10 seconds totally, and you can change the alarm time to 5 seconds. And this is the nozzle side. You can put the value of nozzle size. The upper nozzle was 22, so you can change the nozzle number 22. And the lower nozzle, you see the lower nozzle, lower nozzle is 26, so you can put lower nozzle 26. And okay, and then if you change any specific value by your test to if possible at the lower temperature, and for a shorter time you want to finish the heating and cooling, for your reference, PV-free solder melts at 215 to 220 Celsius degrees, and PV solder, which includes lead, is melt at 185 Celsius degrees about. So this rework station is totally different from handheld hot air blower that use 350 to 400 Celsius degrees, which is too high temperature that possibly can damage the IC. The IC inside there is gold wire to connect the inner part, and by the strong high temperature will be shown on the IC will be not good. So now let us test the machine. The second step is 270, okay, and the first step is 50. In this case you can change this. Simply you can change the program name, like PCB name is, for example, CD, BD, for example, CD. You push OK, and you simply touch the save button, and the program is saved. Yes, there is some Chinese pop-up. You just push the yes.